Once upon a time, in a faraway galaxy, there lived an extraterrestrial being known as Zip Parselton. Zip was not your typical alien. Instead, he was a dedicated mailman from the planet Postarion, a world known for its exceptional postal service. With a unique mail-related name, Zip Parselton was the go-to mail carrier in the entire quadrant. Zip had a rather peculiar problem. Every day, as he went about his rounds delivering mail to the residents of the intergalactic suburbs, he was constantly harassed by a pack of unruly dogs. These dogs had a taste for mail, and no matter how many times Zip shooed them away or tried to dodge their relentless attacks, they would always find a way to nip at his heels. But there was one dog, a particularly persistent pup named C.A.'s, who took his commitment to defending the neighborhood from Zip's deliveries to a whole new level. C.A.'s had a relentless grip on Zip's uniform and had become permanently attached to him. It was as though C.A.'s had decided that Zip was his own personal chew toy. With C.A.'s hanging on to him, Zip found it nearly impossible to have a conversation with anyone for more than a second, as Cass's incessant barking drowned out all other sounds. One fateful day, Zip received a special delivery assignment that would take him deep into the heart of Ganglandia, a notorious area known for its criminal activities and a place that no mailman dared to venture. The package was marked as urgent and was addressed to the reclusive crime lord, Big Vinny. Despite the dangerous reputation of Ganglandia, Zip Parselton, with C.A.'s firmly attached, was determined to fulfill his duty as a mailman. He set off on his journey, navigating through the labyrinthine alleys and shadowy corners of the treacherous neighborhood. As he approached the imposing fortress of Big Vinny, Zip couldn't help but wonder if he had bitten off more than he could chew, quite literally in Cass's case. Just as Zip was about to deliver the package, he overheard a conversation that sent chills down his spine. Big Vinny and his gang were planning a major heist that would have catastrophic consequences for the entire galaxy. Zip knew he couldn't stand idly by and let this happen. Summoning all his courage, Zip Parselton, with C.A. still clinging to him, stepped forward and confronted Big Vinny and his gang. Cass's incessant barking was so disruptive that it completely derailed the criminals' plans. Confusion reigned, and in the chaos, Zip managed to alert the authorities, who swiftly arrived to apprehend the gang. As the sun set over Ganglandia, Zip Parselton, the alien mailman with a dog named C.A.'s permanently attached to him, became a hero. His unwavering dedication to delivering mail, even in the face of danger, had saved the galaxy from a catastrophic crime spree. From that day forward, Zip and C.A.'s were celebrated not only for their mail-delivering prowess, but also for their bravery in the face of adversity. And so, the legend of Zip Parselton, the alien mailman who conquered Ganglandia, spread far and wide, reminding us all that even the most peculiar circumstances can lead to extraordinary heroics.